Have you ever wondered if a girl you know has secretly liked you for a long time but just hasn't said it outright? Well, there are certain things she might say that give away her feelings without her even realizing it. In this video, we're diving into 12 specific things a girl will say when she's been into you for a while but is keeping it low-key. If you've heard her say any of these, it might be time to rethink what's really going on. Let's jump right in and uncover the hidden signs she's been crushing on you for a long time. 1. I've never told anyone this before, but when a girl says, I've never told anyone this before, but she's opening up and letting you into a more intimate part of her life. This level of vulnerability shows she trusts you more than others and feels safe sharing personal thoughts or secrets. It's a way of deepening your bond, and if she's comfortable enough to share things she wouldn't with anyone else, it's likely because she has feelings for you. This phrase often signals that she wants to build a stronger emotional connection and may have been harboring romantic feelings for a while, but hasn't quite worked up the courage to fully express them. 2. You're the only one who really gets me. When a girl tells you, you're the only one who really gets me, she's expressing more than just appreciation. This statement reflects a deep emotional connection, where she feels understood on a level she doesn't experience with others. It's a major sign that she sees you as someone special in her life, someone who can understand her thoughts, feelings, and experiences in a way no one else can. This kind of emotional closeness is often reserved for someone she cares about deeply, and it hints that she values your relationship more than just as a friend. She might be hiding deeper feelings. 3. I'm so happy whenever we hang out. When a girl tells you, I'm so happy whenever we hang out, it's more than just casual fun. This subtle compliment suggests that being around you genuinely boosts her mood and brings her joy. It's a sign that she associates happiness and positive emotions with your presence. If she says this frequently or makes an effort to spend time with you, it could indicate that she enjoys your company on a deeper level than she lets on. Her happiness when she's with you is a clear sign that her feelings for you might extend beyond friendship, possibly even into a long-held crush. 4. I've been thinking about what you said the other day. When she says, I've been thinking about what you said the other day, it's a strong indication that your words hold significant weight in her mind. This shows that she's not only listening to what you say, but also reflecting on it long after the conversation is over. It means she's invested in your thoughts, ideas, and opinions, which is a big sign that you're important to her. If she's bringing up past conversations, especially ones that may seem insignificant, it means you're occupying her mind. This is often a clue that her feelings for you go beyond friendship, and she's deeply engaged with who you are and what you think. 5. I always feel comfortable around you. When a girl says, I always feel comfortable around you, she's expressing a deep level of emotional security. Comfort in a relationship, especially when combined with ease in opening up, is a powerful sign that she's been connected to you for a long time. Feeling safe and comfortable around someone isn't something that happens overnight. It's built over time and signals that she trusts you completely. If she regularly mentions this comfort, it's a clear indication that she sees you as someone special in her life. She may have developed feelings she's yet to reveal, and her comfort around you shows that she's emotionally attached on a deeper level. 6. I was just talking about you the other day. When a girl says, I was just talking about you the other day, it means you're on her mind often enough to come up in conversations with others. This is a sign that she's been thinking about you, even when you're not around. Bringing you up in other discussions shows that you play a significant role in her thoughts and day-to-day life. If she mentions this casually or frequently, it's an indicator that she may be subtly trying to show you how much you mean to her. This can be a sign that her feelings for you have been growing, even if she hasn't expressed them directly yet. 7. I'd do anything for you, you know that, right? When a girl says, I'd do anything for you, you know that, right? She's signaling her deep loyalty and willingness to go above and beyond for you. This isn't just casual friendliness, it's her way of showing that you mean a lot to her. Offering unwavering support, even without asking, reveals how much she values your relationship. Such a statement often comes from a place of care and attachment, and if she's constantly there for you in times of need, it might indicate that her feelings for you run deeper than just friendship. This type of devotion is a clear indicator that she might have been quietly harboring romantic feelings for some time. 8. I don't know why, but I care about what you think. When she says, I don't know why, but I care about what you think. It shows that your opinion holds more weight in her life than that of others. She might be looking for validation or approval, signaling that she sees you as someone whose thoughts and judgments matter greatly to her. Caring deeply about how you perceive her, or what you think about various things in her life, indicates that you occupy a special place in her heart. This concern for your opinion, especially when unsolicited, suggests she's emotionally invested in you. It's a clear sign that she values you beyond surface-level friendship and could be a sign of hidden affection. 9. I've always wondered what it would be like if... When she says, I've always wondered what it would be like if... and leaves the sentence open-ended, she's subtly testing the waters of what a potential relationship could look like. This is her way of hinting at the possibility of being more than just friends, without being too forward. She may follow it up with a playful scenario or hypothetical situation involving the two of you together. By leaving it open, she's giving you the chance to respond and possibly gauge your feelings. This kind of statement shows that she's been thinking about your relationship in a different light, possibly for a long time, and is curious about where it could lead. 10. I've never told anyone this, but you make me feel safe. When a girl confides, I've never told anyone this, but you make me feel safe, she's expressing something deeply personal and significant. Feeling safe around someone is one of the highest forms of emotional trust and connection. For her to admit this means she associates you with security, comfort, and protection, qualities she values in someone she's emotionally attached to. This sense of safety often develops over time and signals a strong emotional bond. If she feels this level of trust with you, it's a clear indication that her feelings go beyond friendship, as it reflects her vulnerability and the deep affection she may be holding back. 11. I miss you when we don't hang out. When she says, I miss you when we don't hang out, it's more than just a casual remark. She's letting you know that you occupy her thoughts even when you're not together. This is a clear hint that she values your presence and feels a void when you're not around. Missing someone consistently is often tied to emotional attachment and affection, showing that she may be thinking about you in ways she hasn't fully expressed. By sharing this, she's subtly telling you that her feelings for you might be deeper than just friendship, as missing someone frequently indicates an emotional bond that goes beyond surface-level interactions. 12. I was just thinking about that time we... When a girl says, I was just thinking about that time we... and brings up a shared memory, it shows that your moments together have left a lasting impression on her. By recalling these memories, she's revealing that they hold special significance in her mind. Whether it's a fun or meaningful moment, her decision to revisit these times is a sign that she values your shared experiences. This kind of reminiscing suggests she's been thinking about you more than she lets on, possibly replaying moments to relive the connection she felt. It's a clear indication that those memories mean more to her than just casual friendship and hint at deeper, unspoken emotions. And there you have it. Some of the subtle things a girl might say when she's been hiding her feelings for a long time. These words often reveal more than she intends, giving you insight into her emotions. So, if you recognize any of these signs, it might just mean her secret feelings have been there all along.